Dear students, today we will study family Apiaceae, which is also called as carrot family or family Umbelliferae. Remind you, Umbelliferae is also an acceptable name, valid name. And I am your Rajkumar sir. With regard to classification as per Bantam Hooker, the class is Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetli, series Calliciflorae, order Umbellales, family Umbelliferae or Apiaceae. The type genus Apium is a genus of about 20 species of flowering plants in the family Apiaceae, and this is distributed in Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, and Australia. The salient features of the diagnostic characters of this family are: plants are aromatic herbs with hollow internodes, leaves compound with sheathing bases, inflorescence is umbel, petals incurved in bud conditions, they are yellow or white. Stamens are five, inflexed in bud, ovary inferior. Fruit is a cremocarp with stylopodium at the apex. Now, the distribution and the major genera present in this family are: this family comprises of about 442 genera, 3,575 species. This is mainly distributed in north temperate regions. Some occur in the tropical and subtropical regions. The major genera includes Eryngium with 230 species, Ferula with 150 species, Pimpinella with 150 species, Baplurum with 100 species, Heracleum with 60 species, Sanicula with 40, and Chirophyllum with 40 species. These are the photographs of Eryngium, Ferula, Pimpinella, Chirophyllum, Sanicula, Heracleum, Baplurum. Now we will study the vegetative characters. The habit and habitat mostly annuals like Pheniculum, Coriandrum, Carum carvi, perennials like caraway, or biennials like Pteroselinum crispum. Few are mostly they are herbs. Few are shrubs like Ferula communis. Rarely shrubs Eryngium giganteum, or even climbers like pseudo carum. It's not carpum, it is carum. Sometimes forming a huge cushions like azorella. These are the photographs of Carum carvi, Pheniculum, coriander. These are the photographs of Pteroselenium crispum, Pseudocarum, Azorella, Conium maculatum, Anethum gravulans, Ferula communis. The root is a branched tap root, sometimes becomes tuberous due to the storage of food like Docus carota, Apium gravulans. The stem is aerial, climbing in pseudocarum, reduced and discoid in young plants of carrot, hollow at maturity, cylindrical as seen in coriandrum, or distinctly ribbed as seen in feniculum, green, smooth like coriandrum, or hairy like Anthriscus sylvestris, glaucus, or glabrous. Leaves are colline and ramal, radical in young plants of carrot, usually stipulate in hydrocotyle, petiolate, alternate, opposite in some species of Apiastrum, simple, entire, reniform and undivided in hydrocotyle, palmately lobed in Astantia, major, finely dissected in funiculum, pinnately lobed and decompound in coriandrum and docus carota. These are the photographs of Apiastrum, hydrocotyle, Astrantia major, coriandrum. Two new words like glaucous and glabrous. Glaucous means that they are covered with grayish, bluish, or whitish waxy coating or bloom that is easily rubbed off. Glabrous means smooth, especially a surface without hairs or projections, that is glabrous skin or glabrous leaves. Now we will study the floral characters. Inflorescence. Inflorescence is umbel, simple umbel in hydrocotyle, mostly compound umbel like feniculum, coriandrum, docus. Involucre of bracts called involucri. They are present from the stalks of first order of stalks arises, and then there is again another whorl of bracts called involucre at a place where the floral stalks arise from the top of the branches of the first order. Involucre and involucres are absent in funiculum but present in Docus carota. In Azorella, the inflorescence is reduced to a single flower. See, this is an individual umbel, and the entire picture shows the compound umbel. Flowers are bracteate, as in hydrocotyle, or ebracteate in funiculum, pedicellate, coriandrum, and funiculum, or sessile rhyngium, actinomorphic like funiculum, or zygomorphic as in the case of coriandrum, usually bisexual, unisexual and monoecious in Echinophora, unisexual and dioecious in Arceopus. Flowers are epigynous, cyclic, pentamerous, small and white or yellow colored. Flower development is very peculiar. The stamens they appear first, then the petals, followed by sepals. Last of all appears the two carpels at first separate but later they are united. By the rapid ingrowth of ovary, it soon becomes inferior. The ovary soon becomes inferior. The disc is two lobed. Calyx consists of five gamosepalous, reduced in funiculum. Many other genera, they show velvet estivation, green in color, superior. Corolla is made up of five petals. They're corypetalous or apopetalous or polypetalous. Regular as seen in funiculum, or irregular shaped as in coriandrum with two small and three large petals. Apex is rounded or acute, sometimes bifid as in coriandrum. Petals reflex in anethum gravulans, valve in funiculum, imbricate in coriandrum, white, yellow, or blue, superior. Androecium consists of five stamens which are free and alternipetalous. Filaments are equal in length, long or shorter than the corolla. Anthers are bithecous, basifixed, and dorsifixed. Dehiscence is longitudinal and introse. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, syncarpous, inferior, bilocular, and placentation is marginal or parietal. There is one pendulous ovule in each loculus. Styles are two, each terminating in a capitate or linear stigma, surrounded by bilobed honey secreting disc. called the stylopodium. The ovary is placed antero-posteriorly. Fruits Fruit is a cremocarp. Cremocarp is a fruit that splits up into two one-seeded mericarps. The two mericarps at first are held together by a thin stalk called the carpophore. Running up between them, seeds are endospermic with small embryo. Pollination is by insects. Flowers are protandrous. Honey is secreted by stylopodium. This is the floral formula of the family. Actinomorphic or zygomorphic bisexual K5 which are united or may be absent C5 A5 G is bicarpellary syncarpus and a line above shows that it is inferior. Now we will study the economic importance of the family. The first importance is it is used as food, condiments, fodder, medicinal, and it shows number of uses like food, condiments, fodder, medicinal, and ornamental uses. First, the use is vegetable or food like carrot, celery, parsnip, and sova. They are chiefly used as pot herbs. Condiments like hing, ajwain, jeera, saunf, dhania, and dhania, caraway, dil or sova, parsley, anise, etc. They are used as condiments or carminatives are present in this family. Hing is an oleogum resin obtained from the roots. Ferula sambal and Ferula glaveniflua also produces hing. Dorema also produces oleogum resins. हींग जो है रूट्स का एक्सट्रैक्ट निकाला जाता है और उसी से ही उसको सुखाया जाता है और उसी से हींग बनती है. Hing is basically an extract of the roots which is dried, purified, and it is used in kitchen preparations. Several members like carrot, Heracleum, Angelica, they provide fodder for the cattle and horses. It has this family has certain valuable plants which have immense medicinal importance like Centella asiatica, Brahmi, which is a very good tonic for brain, and leaves are also used for dysentery trouble in children. Hing, saunf, sova, they are used in digestive disorders. Anethum gravulans is used as dill water for children. Conium maculatum is a is the plant which yields poisonous compounds, and this poison was given to Socrates. Medicinally, this conium is very important in all spasmodic affections like cholera, epilepsy, whooping cough, mania, etc. Conium has anti-cancer properties. Conium yields the alkaloid conine. Apium Apium graveolens, Ajmud, produces apin and is used as cardiac tonic or in asthma. Fleshy roots of cicuta and ethusa, they are poisonous to all kinds of livestock. Several ornamentals are present in this family like trechemine, angelica, eurangium, heracleum. They produce very beautiful flowers which decorate the gardens. This is cicuta, ethusa, angelica, trechemine. With this, we have completed this family, and thank you, dear students, for watching it patiently and seeing it. Hope you are revising your syllabi and the exams. In the exams, you will get us help from these presentations. Thank you very much.